Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. App updated, trading account KYC cleared, and funds available. This saves back and forth. Once done, open Kotak Neo, go to Trade and select Strategy Bot so you land directly on strategy selection. Make sure notifications and biometric login are enabled for quick re-entry. Next, either pick an existing target portfolio or tap to create a new strategy profile. Choose a clear goal, growth, or income, because that decision shapes the bot's allocations and risk settings. Now configure the bot. Pick automated rebalancing, SIP, or goal-based mode, and set frequency plus rebalance percentage because timing affects drift. Once chosen, select assets and weightings, then add stop loss and take profit limits so the bot can act within your risk appetite. Use suggested templates to speed decisions, but tweak weights to match your goals. Review the projected returns, visible fees, and tax implications, then set order size and execution timeframe. Finally, hit Activate to deploy the strategy live. Finish by monitoring the performance dashboard regularly. Enable alerts for critical thresholds, for example, a 5% drop or a target 12% gain, so you get immediate updates. If you need to stop or edit the strategy, pause it first, make changes, and always rerun the backtest before reactivating to verify outcomes. If trades fail to execute, check available funds, margin requirements, and any market halts. If unresolved, contact Kotak support and provide the strategy ID for faster troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.